Alright, you ready?
Yeah, man.
First we're going to identify structure B. See, I said minus.
Labia majus.
Exactly, it's labia majora or majus. Yeah.
But A is that's the fun part.
That is the fun part. That is the happy part, otherwise known as the... Yes. And what is that analogous to in a man?
The penis.
Yes. And labia majora is analogous. Sure. Sure, there you go. E, I gotta go to the bathroom. Nope, that would be urethra, exactly. You were spitting it out and you were spitting out silly. You don't piss out a baby, you piss out urine. Urethra.
Sometimes they piss the same time as a baby.
Sure. That's actually probably every time. D
is a vagina.
Yes, it is. C, you were looking at it earlier. Boom, you got it. 100%.
I thought it would look like.
Hey, this is my first time looking at the inside side action of a penis here. Alright, identify structure A.
That's a corpus cavernosum.
Sure. Very specific. I was just gonna go with cock, but sure. If you want to go corpus cavernosum, then you're probably more correct. It does appear to be on the top part of it. B, that looks like what to you?
It's like my...
Excuse me?
The freaking... The vine of my testis.
I think it's called a spermatic cord?
Yeah, that one.
Is that it? What is D? I have no fucking idea what that is. Well, now you know.
For some reason, it's not how it's supposed to look like.
I guess it's in the same place. D, prostate. Boom.
And what does the milky substance do?
What is the function of milky fluid secretion from the structure D? I guess it gives the sperm something to ride on?
Yeah, it's pretty much like help with the sperm.
It's like sperm loop. Alright, identify C. Station.
Well, I was somewhat right, but...
Let's see. Corpus cavernosum is correct. Spermatic cord is correct. Vas deferens.
Apparently the terminus part is the ampulla.
Vas deferens, how about that? Oh, I guess they were talking about the freaking little cord, not the whole thing. And D, prostate, milky fluid.
Activate sperm.
So vas deferens is the terminal part of the vas deferens enlarges to form ampulla. You were probably more correct than I was. Congratulations. Well, let's really study. Let's do a refresher course on this one. Let's go back to this one and see if we actually absorbed it. Do it from the top down. Identify structure A. Name the hormone which produces growing follicles. This is the... I forget it already. See? Hold on. Don't look at the book.
Gaffian.
Yes. The vesicular follicle. Boom.
Produce estrogen.
B. Identify structure B.
Primary follicle.
Primary follicle. Boom. Identify structure C.
Corpus luteum.
Corpus luteum. And
some
which
progesterone
hormone?
And progesterone and some estrogen.
Take 3. That second take doesn't count. Alright, here we go. Identify structure A. Identify structure A. It is Gaffian or vesicular follicle. Name the hormone which produces growing follicles.
Estrogen.
Estrogen is what it is. Identify structure B. Primary follicle. Boom. Identify structure C. Corpus luteum. Name the hormones which produce it. Progesterone and some estrogens. Boom. Identify structure D. That is the germinal epithelial layer.
Yeah.
Germinal, like you got a germ.
Simple cuboidal.
Simple cuboidal epithelial tissue. And structure E is the ovarian ligament, which connects to the uterus. Nailed it.
Oh, right.
Corpus luteum. Oh, you're right. Oh, and you're right about the first one too. God damn you. Alright, A. Definitely looks like cervix area. I'm sure. I'll give you that. B.
Endometrium.
I'll give you that. Endometrium. Feeling good. This is so identify stage of embryo development C. That was called process when structure C adheres to the uterine wall. I think that Russian chick designed these questions. She does not know how to speak English.
I have no idea. I know I saw it in the cheat sheet, but
we'll come back to that one. Identify structure D. Suspensory ligament.
Suspensory ligament?
Because if we look,
this is this one. That's suspensory.
yeah, that's something else right now. This is the ovarian ligament.
No, we don't
This one. Yes, that's, and two anatomical regions which connect structure D. I'm gonna say it's connected to the uterine tube and the ovary. Well, yeah, you could say that too.
No, ovary and the urine tube. Yeah, you're right about the tube.
Both, all three. Identify structure E and its location. That is some plaque, and it is stuck in some girl's butt.
Cervical plaque.
Identify structure F. Those fimbriae. The fimbriae. You got your cervix. You got your endometrium. You got your
ligament.
You got your fimbriae. You got your vag plaque. And you got some sort of oocyte. Check the answers. Take 2. Let's identify the regions of the stomach. Region A?
Cardiac region.
You know what you can think of that is like if the stomach was like a human, this cardiac region is kind of where the heart would be on the stomach. That's one mnemonic device you can use.
That sounds confusing. It looks like it's pointing at the fundus or the cardiac.
Well, a Russian retard made this model, so what can you expect? B is the oblique layer, as you said, you were correct. And C, the outer layer of the stomach, is called the serosa, and its function is to be smooth and silky, sexy, sweet.
Avoid friction.
Exactly, avoid friction, silky, smooth, sexy. Alright, Cameron.
The quiz on the torso. Boom.
Alright. A.
Structure A is the parotid gland, and the enzyme that's present in the saliva is salivary amylase. Boom.
Sweet. Structure B.
Structure B is the esophagus, and the type of epithelium tissue in the esophagus is stratified squamous. Identify structure C and glands, which are located in the submucosal layer there. Well, here's the stomach, imaginary. Here's the stomach, boom. Coming out the stomach. Duodenum. You have an odd duodenum. And the glands that are located there are duodenal or Brunner's glands. Brunner. D is the right kidney, because it's on the right side of the body. Boom.
Sweet.
Nailed it. Oh, okay, identify A. See, it's going back.
Sigmoid.
Yeah, that's the sigmoid colon, exactly. Identify structure B. That's some sort of mesentery. Mesocolon. Identify structure C and its origin. I'm going to call that the transverse colon. Tenia coli. The longitudinal muscle layer of the musculus. Good work.
Or Tenia coli.
Sure, whatever that is. And then I guess D is the transverse colon? No, pocket like sac. D would be the... And the haustrum. Never heard of that in my life.
Oh.
Sweet. Identify the digestive function of the liver. Function of the liver and digestion is? To produce bile. Correct. That is correct. Identify structure A and its function.
Gallbladder.
And its job is to?
This one is the
secrete bile. Identify structure C. How is the structure called in this fetus? So this is a falciform ligament. This is the round ligament.
Which it points. Oh, it points downward.
The round ligament, when it sticks out, when it pops out, this like just this end part here is the round ligament. And in the fetus, is called umbilical vein. Identify liver region D is the bear area. Nobody cares about that. Only bears eat it. Boom. Mission 5. Identify organ A. Look at her. You notice her. How is called surgical procedure of removal organ A? Wow, that is some fucking amazing Broward College English right there. Holy Christ and Almighty. Okay.
I'm not even sure that's another final.
Yeah, this is amazing.
Spleen. I'm just gonna stick with spleen.
That's the spleen.
Ectomy
That's the
because
spleen, splenectomy. B, that's the jejunum. C, that's the duodenal papilla. And D is the pancreatic duct. I think I'm gonna focus mostly on the pancreatic duct. Right there.
Yeah.
And
the pancreatic enzymes.
And the spleen. All that.
Wanna go this way too?
I'm good. Alright, let's do this. Identify structure A and its function. Structure A is that falciform.
Sounds like Falcor.
Exactly how I remember it, like Falcor. It's spelled the same way, F-A-L-C. That much is the same. F-A-L-C-iform. It's the falciform. Good call. That's so funny. I was going to say that. Identify stomach region B.
Pyloric.
That is the pyloric region, correct. And this is the... Sure, but she called it the pyloric canal because she's from Mars. Identify structure D. How is called when bile ducts are blocked with foreign object in the bile begin to enter the bloodstream? I don't know what you're talking about. That's the bile duct. That other shit, you're crazy. Structure E is the ileocecal valve.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I thought it was just a cecum.
Cecum is that.
Alright.
But while we're here, let's take something that's going to be on our test, which is the appendix, and this is the cecum, right?
Yeah, that's cecum.
Cecum
is this the whole entire area right here.
Okay, this is the cecum. That will probably be on our test. The ileocecal valve probably won't. Why I hate this
appendix.
Bullshit.
That's your butthole. That's probably that latest butthole.
Boom.
Glomerulus.
Structure A and its function. Structure A is the glomerulus.
Produce pee.
It creates urine and whatnot. Identify structure B. That would be afferent arteriole. From what arteriole arrives peritubular a capillary bed? Efferent. With an E, I think? She's a freaking retard. Identify structure C. That is the proximal convoluted tubule. Identify D. That would be the something. Blah blah blah. Glomerulus. Its function is filtration. Efferent arteriole. Peritubular capillary bed arises from the efferent with an E arteriole. Distal convoluted tubule is correct. Artery and vein. Interlobar. That's what we're looking for. According to her, structure A is the renal pelvis, as you said. You were correct. It could also be the first branch of one of these major calyxes.
It's too much. This would be considered major calyx right here.
Identify structure B. It is the renal papilla. You were correct again. I'm going to slap you if you keep getting
But I don't know about the minor calyx. Or surrounded by what?
Yeah, minor calyx right there.
Oh.
The papilla, and then there's the minor calyx on either side.
It says tissue. I was like, okay, what?
C is an interlobar artery. That's the same thing that we got wrong on the glomerulus test. Wow, really clicking along now. D. Identify structure D. That is a renal column, which segregates the medullary pyramids. Not going to be on our test. Not going to be on our test. Vasa recta, not going to be on our test. Identify area F. That is the cortex, because it's the outside. This would be the medulla area, and that would be the cortex. This is a zoom in of a pyramid, it appears to be. G.
Looks like a nub.
Visceral layer.
What the hell?
Whatevs. Let's go over to our friend the glomerulus over here. Identify structure H. Structure H. That is a afferent. No, it is a proximal convoluted tubule. Glucose, water, and amino acids are absorbed. Blah, it's not going to be on our test. Distal convoluted tubule is the top one, and that is important. So proximal is that one.
Proximal going to the glomerulus, and distal is not on the glomerulus.
Boom.
But it's touching the glomerulus.
Test me on that, bitch. He said he was going to ask us about these, like, what is this? And the answer is, it's an embryo. And then this is like a fetus. And then that right there is going to be
placenta.
Correct.
What's this?
That is the uterus.
What kind of muscle is it?
Smooth muscle.
Yeah,
so it makes the baby smooth.
Are so smooth.
He's so smooth. And there's some twins. Double the cost. Abort them both. Save yourself some money. So here's like...
We are primordial soup.
Yeah, this is the primary cell just chilling. No fucking nothing. It's got a simple cuboidal germinal epithelial layer that we just found out about.
Where's the blastocyst?
And then we have
this guy.
And we have the sperm attacking, invading
the army.
and then I guess that would be a blastocyst or anything. Sort of, kind of. Who cares? Why not? How dare you? And these are two things that I'm going to get wrong. There's the zygote, second 2 cell, 4 cell, 16 cell, loving it.